Good morning, everybody. I hope you have memorized some specific values of trigonometry ratios. So we will start. The next exercise is 8.2. So first question is evaluate the following. First is sin 60, cos 30, sin 30, cos 60. So what is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 plus sin 30 is 1 upon 2 and cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 1 is 1 or 2 into 2 is 4. So take the LCM. So here LCM is 4, so 3 plus 1. Here 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 upon 4. This is cancel out, so this is 1. This is answer. Next, 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. Here this is square, so here is square. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, but this is square, so here completely square. Minus root 3 upon 2, because sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, here is square, so this is a square. Square of 1 is 1. Square of root 3 is 3. Square of 2 is 4. Square of root 3 is 3. Square of 2 is 4. But this value are equal, but sign is opposite, so this cancel. Here 2 into 3, 2 into 3 is 2. So this is answer. Next is cos 45 degree upon cosec 30 degree plus sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. So what is the value of cos 45 degree? Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 and sec 30 degree is 2 upon root 3 and plus cosec 30 degree is 2. So this value are same, but here take the LCM. We will now take 1, so LCM is root 3 and the multiply here to 2 and here is root 3, because no value is common. If here common, so divide with this values, and this values 1 upon root 3 into, if change the value, sign is multiply, so value is reciprocal, so here the value is reciprocal. So root 3 upon root 3, 2 bracket 2 plus 2 root 2. You also multiply the value root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6, and here answer. But again further solve this value, and this value solving rationalize the value of this values, so answer also find. If rationalize the value, so here root 3 into 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon rationalize, so here take negative sign, so 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 2 root 2 minus 2 root, sorry, not here 6, so this is 6, this is 6. Multiply the value root 3, so this is 2 root 6 minus 2 into 3 root 2, because the multiply here, so value is also in this type value, uh, 6 into 3, this value 3 into 2 into 3, so square root is 3 root 2, so this value here. And one time minus and one time plus, we will also know that formula a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So square of this value 2 root 2 square minus square of this value 2 root 6 square. This is 2 root 6 minus 6 root 2 upon 4 into 2 minus 4 into 6. This is 2 root 6 minus 6 root 2, 8 minus 24. Take the common value here 2, so the value is root 6 minus 3 root 2. Subtract the value, so here this is 16 but negative, divide, this is 8. So this value is root 6 minus 3 root 2 upon minus 8. This value change in positive sign, so this value is negative and this value is positive, so 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. This is also answer. Next is sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree. Sec 30 degree divide sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Now we will put the value. Sin 30 degrees 1 upon 2 plus tan 45 degrees 1 minus cosec 60 degrees 2 upon root 3. Sec 30 degree is 2 upon root 3 plus cos 60 degrees 1 upon 2 and tan 45 degrees 1. Solving first this value, so this is 3 by 2 because LCM is 2, then multiply 2 plus 1 is 3 upon 2 minus 2 upon root 3. Same, so 2 upon root 3 plus this is also 3 upon 2. Take LCM, so LCM is 2 root 3, this is 3 root 3 minus 4. Same here, LCM is 2 root 3 and this is 4 plus 3 root 3. This value and this value are cancelled, so here remaining value is 3 root 3 minus 4 and this is 4 plus 3 root 3. Now 3 root 3 minus 4, this value interchange, so 3 root 3 plus 4, rationalize the values, so 3 root 3 minus 4 and 3 root 3 minus 4, and here 3 root 3 plus 4 and 3 root 3 minus 4. So here answer solve. So value, this is whole square, completely whole square, so write 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square upon, here use the formula a minus b and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this is 3 root 3 square minus 4 square. A plus b, a minus b whole square is a square, means 3 root 3 square plus b square means 4 square minus 2ab. So 2 into 3 root 3 into 4. Okay, this is 9 into 3 and this is minus 16. Now this is 9 into 3, this is 16, 3 into 2 6, 6 into 4 24, so minus 24 root 3. This is 27 minus 16. This is 27 plus 16 minus 24 root 3. The subtract value, so this is 11. Total 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 carry 1, 1 1 2 3 4. 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. This is answer. Next, is fifth. Solve solution. Now put the value. 5 into cos 60 degrees 1 upon 2, but here is square, so this is square, plus 4 into sec 30 degrees 2 upon root 3, but here is square, so this is a square, minus tan 45 degrees 1, but square, so square. Sin 30 degree, sin 30 degrees 1 upon 2, here is square, and cos 30 degrees root 3 upon 2 square. So 5 into 1 upon 4 plus 4 into, this is 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon, this is 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. This is 5 upon 4 plus 16 upon 3 minus 1. This is 4 upon 4 because 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 upon 4. So this is 1. Now solving only this value. So this is 1, but solving this value LCM is LCM is 3 into 4 means 12. So this is 5 into 3 plus 16 into 4 minus 12. Now 5 into 3 is 15. 16 into 4 64. Sorry, 64. This is 12 and this is 12. Now this is total 549,617 minus 12 upon 12. Subtract the value. 9 minus 2 is 5. Sorry, 7. 7 minus 1 is 6 divided by 12. This is answer. Next question. Next question is second question. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. So first we will solve this. So justify 210 30 degree upon 1 plus 10 square 30 degree. 2 into what is the value of tan 30? So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus tan 30 1 upon root 3 but square. So here 2 upon root 3 1 plus 1 upon 3. So 2 upon root 3 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. So 2 upon root 3 upon this is 4 upon 3. Now 2 upon root 3 into change the value, divide sign, change in multiply. So this value in reciprocal. So 3 upon 4. 2 here 3 upon root 3. So this value is 2 root 3. So this value is root 3 upon 2, because here 3 upon 2 root 3 rationalize root 3 into root 3. So this value is 3. So this value cancels. So root 3 upon 2. What is the value of root 3 upon 2? We also know that the value of sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 and cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. So here sin 60. So answer is sin 60. this is verification. Next, 1 minus tan square 45 degree upon 1 plus tan 45 degree. So first solve this value. 1 minus tan square 45 degree upon 1 plus tan square 45 degree. So what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1, so here is square to square. This is 1 plus 1 square, that is 0 upon 2, so this is 0. So answer is 0. So this is answer. This is verification. Next, third point, sin square a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to. In this condition only, if we will use sin 0, so sin 0 is 0 and 2 into 0 is 0, so this is equal. If a is equal to 0 degree, then sin square 0 degree is equal to 2 into sin 0 degree, so this is 0 equal 0. And if you will take value 30 degree, so sin 30 is 1 upon 2, and here 1 upon 2, so 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4, and 1 upon 2, 2 is to cancel, this is 1, so both are not equal, so answer is A. Next, fifth point. Here 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So put the value of tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, 1 minus 1 upon root 3 square. So this is 2 upon root 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3. So this is 2 upon root 3 upon, LCM is 3, so 3 minus 1, so 2 upon root 3 into, change 3 upon, this value is 2, so 2 is to cancel, this is value is root 3. What is the value of root 3? The value of tan 60 degrees is root 3. So answer is tan 60 degrees root 3, so answer is C. Next question, third. Question is tan A plus B equal root 3 and tan A minus B equal 1 upon root 3. 0 degree less than A plus B less than equals to 90. Means A plus B is greater than 0 and less than 90. And A greater than B. Find A and B. So solve this question. Solution. Here given that tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 upon root 3. Tan A plus B is equal to root 3. What is the value of root 3? So tan 60 degrees root 3. So here put the value tan 60 and angle tan A minus B, this value tan 30 degree. Tan and tan is cancel out, so else this value is a plus b is equal to 60 degree and a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Let this first equation and this is second equation. Now solving from equation first and second equal 60 degree and this equation a minus b is equal to 30 degree. So adding this equation, so this is cancel out and this is 2a is equal to 90 degree. So here a is equal to 90 upon 2, so cancel out, so a is equal to 45 degree. Value of a put in equation first. So equation first is a plus b is equal to 60 degree. So a is 45 degree plus b is equal to 60 degree, imply that, so b is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree, b is equal to 15 degree. So hence a is 45 degree and b is 15 degree. Next question, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. So first, sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus b. This is false because let a is equal to 30 degree and b is equal to 60 degree. So solve the LHS. 60 plus 30 is 90, sin 90 is 1. RHS, sin 30 plus sin 60, sin 30 is 1 upon 2 and sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, LCM is 4, 1 plus root 3. So both are not equal, so this statement is false. Second, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases in the interval 0 to 90. Here sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 upon 2 divided by 2, so this is 0.5, sin 45 1 upon root 2, root 2 is 1.414 divided by 1, so this is 0.707, and 60 root 3 upon 2, value of root 3 is 1.732 divided by 2, so this is 0.866, sin 90 is 1. So here if theta is increases, the values are also increases, so this statement is true. Next, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. This is false because sin cos 0 is 1, cos 30 root 3 upon 2, this is 0.866, the value also here 45 root 3, so 0.707, 60 is 1 upon 2, 0.5. So here the theta is increases, the value is decreases, so this statement is false. Okay, next, fourth point, sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Here for all values, sin 0 is 0 but cos 0 is 1. The statement is false in first condition. The next is 30 is 1 upon 2, root 3 upon 2. So here, but only this value, only for true theta is equal to 45 degree, but here the for all values, so this statement is false. The question is, this statement is false, it is not true for all values. So fifth, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. This also proof in previous class, means previous lecture. If you don't see the previous lecture, so you also see the lecture. All value describe sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, 50, 0, 90, so on. But this formula, also know that this formula we will study in next lecture. So first, here cot A is cos A upon sin A. Put the value of A is equal to 0 degree, so cos 0 upon sin 0, 10, this is cot 0 for A is equal to 0. So cos 0 is 1, but sin 0 is 0. If any value divided by 0, the value is not defined, so this statement is true. Some important note in use objective type question. So first, the value of sin A and cos A never exceed 1. This means more than, means the sin or cos value is not more than 1. Next, the value of sec A or cosec A is always greater than or equal to 1. Means sec A or cos A not less than 1. Okay, thank you.